Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable offline mode in Gmail. So if you want to review email messages even when you are not connected to the internet, I show you guys how to enable offline mode. Click on this setting gear icon and select see all settings, and now you just need to select the offline tab over here. And now you just need to enable this option guys, enable offline mail, check mark it. So you can enable so much storage on hard drive, so you can see how much is available for offline mail on your computer. It detects how large or how much it is available on your hard drive. You can also store emails from the last so many days in there as well. And if you log out of your Gmail or Google account, you can keep or remove offline data from your computer, and you just again make your selection there. So I'm gonna select it. It says keep offline on my computer, and scroll down and select save changes. You just need to select got it. So if you were to disconnect your internet, you may have access to Gmail even through we don't have internet access. So that's how it's work guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.